Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. We have a very delayed Christmas video. I wanted to do it last week, but I was back at mine and for a few days. And then I wanted to come back over just to celebrate it New Year because my mum spends it on her own because my relatives all go around to their dads. So I just wanted to keep her company on that day. But in here, we have something completely different, okay? I wanted to try something different for a change. Rather than doing canvases all the time, I wanted to bring back something that I have done on the channel before, which are keyrings. And the last keyring I did was a butterfly, but that was on the old channel, so you wouldn't have seen that. But just to show you what it looks like, I will see if I can grab it. But the keyring I did was a butterfly that I was collaborated with One Day Saving, and as you can see, it's a little keyring, and if you tap it, you get a little light in it, which is really good. So I've done that for my mum. And in here, I wanted to get some Christmas ones. So as you can see, you've got a lovely selection of chains there. Let me get into this. And this is the first time I've seen this, actually. So we've actually got what looks to be a lovely selection. Oh, that's heavy. Lovely gold chains there. Just see what one looks like, actually. Oh, there. Oh, right, I see. So you have to loop it through. You get the chain and then the actual hook. So we've got a pack of them. We've got our standard boat with, you know, the standard sort of stuff in there. And we have the keyrings herself. I did say it right. And then we'll just take a look at these because as you can see, we've got some standard ones and we've got the crystal ones as well. So there's all sorts of ones in here, including some stars and some big ones. So let's take a look at these and then we'll get into the best bit. Okay. So in here, you can see that we've got a lot of shiny crystal ones. And then, as you can see, again, it's probably best if I show you on the back, yeah. So in here, some crystals, some standard ones. The majority of them are all crystals apart from that black one. That's a beautiful colour, that blue one. That's gorgeous. But yeah, you can see that most of these are our crystal ones. And look, I have never used stars before. That is starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Nicki Minaj, can't beat that. Starships by Nicki Minaj, Google it on YouTube. But yeah, I've never seen them before, so they look gorgeous. We've got some really nice purpley ones. I think they could be Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis is a special coating that goes on the drill to make it shine up a bit to a standard drill. And as you can see, some other crystal ones there. I think that's probably a crystal actually, but it does look like an Aurora Borealis over there. So let's take a look at the keyrings. I got this idea from a channel called Diamond Paintings with Pedda, and she does an awful lot of keyrings, and I thought, I like that idea, you know. And I thought I'd do some keyrings. I'm always painting diamond paintings, so just want to give a shout out to Diamond Paintings with Pedda. Thank you so much for giving me the idea of this. Let's try and get Pedda up to 100 subs if we can. In here, these are all the different keyrings, but they actually look plastic. So looking at this, yeah, they're plastic. Oh, wow. So we've got bell. Ring my bell, yeah, yeah, ring my bell. We've got a reef, and that's obviously where the stars go. We have got ourselves a Santa Claus. Oh, it's so cute. With his lovely red nose there. Oh, gingerbread man. Oh, little cutie. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's so cute. And then we've got they're lovely quality. It's nice and plastic, but it's a reindeer. We've also got ourselves oh gosh, I think that's a gingerbread house, is it? So we've got that. We've got ourselves some candles, a stocking, another Santa Claus, which looks really good. He's got a bell and a star there. We've got Frosty the Snowman with a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of gold. There. We've got candy canes. Oh, look at that. Valentine's Day with it. I love the heart shape in that. And then we've got oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unveiling. But yeah, and then obviously the idea is you put the chain through here, this little hole, and then hang it up. But I just thought that was so good that I paid $3.99 for these, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Absolutely fantastic. You get your chains, and you also get your, obviously, the jewels and that for them, which are here. Really, really lovely. So please remember to like, share, subscribe if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. Something new, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to make it this year for these keyrings, but maybe next year or something. But please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.